Positive school culture. As we have already defined positive school culture to be based on furniture, facilities, library, resources, staff, teachers, school support, and the behavior of the students. There is a significant correlation among school size, school culture, and students' academic achievement. So that means that if we are having a positive school culture and the school size is appropriate to the facilities that are being uh, given by the school staff and the administration, that means the academic achievement of the students is going to be good. In that case, where the school culture is low or average, the students are going to face problems in achieving their learning aims. Also, if the school size is too big to be managed by the teachers and the staff available for the school, and if the facilities are lesser than required, again it is going to affect the achievement of the students and the learning goals. Teacher-parent interaction is frequent and teachers are highly qualified. Also, the culture is built up by the qualifications and the skills of the teachers. The culture is also based on the abilities of the parents to interact with the teachers in the school and the head teacher and have a good relation with them in order to find out about their children's progress. As it has been said earlier, that it is the right of every parent and every student to find out how the learning is taking place. So they should develop a relationship with the school staff and the teachers to find out how the progress is taking place. The students themselves should be interested in finding out what level the progress is regarding their own progress and also regarding the school progress, so that they can compare their own progress with that of the school. So all these things develop a culture which would be called a positive culture. Now, there is a significant correlation between the school size, the school culture, and the student achievement. Therefore, we have to find out that if the school is small and if there are all facilities provided according to the number of the students, then are we getting the achievements according to the standards that should be expected of such a school where the culture is good, where the size of the school is appropriate, and where all facilities are being provided. In that case, when such a school is not achieving targets and is not achieving the learning goals, that means something has to be done because something is wrong somewhere, because all the conditions are supposed to be ideal. In such conditions which are ideal and according to the standards, the expectations would be high. However, in a large school where the number of teachers is less and the number of students is more, or there are not enough desks and chairs for the students, or there are no working stations for the teachers, or the school lacks the facilities of a playground, a hall, a stage, and extracurricular activities are not being carried on in the school, that means the school culture is very low. In that case, the expectation would be that the students would not be able to achieve their goals because overall the student satisfaction level is very low, because the students cannot enjoy the school as their second home. They do not think that it is a highly reputed place where they have to keep up the reputation. Rather, they feel ashamed about the school because the facilities are inadequate. They are not sufficient for their growth, and they also get into a complex because they compare their facilities with the other schools which are nearby or where their friends are going. So they get into a complex and they try to compare the situations in both the schools, and thus they do not own that school to be theirs. They think it is a body which is not providing them enough information, enough facilities for their personal development and personality growth. So they start disowning the place and then they do not care whether the achievements or the learning goals would be according to the expectations of the parents and the school.